Hi, my name is Andy Mapple. I'm here to explain some of the new feature benefits of the new Zero Earth GPS speed control exclusive for Nautiques in 2008. Zero Earth is totally simplified skiing and wakeboarding. Basically, you really only need to do is set the speed. No weight, no KX, no skier weight, no wind factors. We just point the speed and we go. Okay, if we want to go map a new course, we're going to take our boat either first time to the lake or we're going to take it to another lake and we need to map the course. First thing we need to do is bring up the sub menu, which is we press and hold the menu button until we get a sub menu that comes up across the top. We use the arrow up, arrow down button to menu across until we see map, highlighted and flashing. What I want to do, my select button, which is like my enter button, that's what I want. Right now you'll have 10 open courses in your system which you can have. So for this I'm going to choose slalom 1, I'm going to hit select, that's what I want. Then I've selected, it tells me on here my instructions of what I need to do. I want to do live course mapping or I want to enter the course coordinates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrow down until I highlight live course mapping. That's what I want. I'm going to hit select. Now it gives me my instructions. I'm mapping slalom with differential GPS. Best mapping accuracy, idle through the first gate and tap select at the first gate. So let's go do that. I put in idle and we're going to head to the first gate of the slalom course and I'm going to be ready to hit select basically right where the antennas line up. Here I'm approaching the gates. Now I hit select. Now when I've hit select, I'm going down my slalom course, but you'll see on the bottom here I've started like a bar graph coming across. What that's doing, that's actually measuring the distance of the slalom course via GPS from my starting point. So now if I want, I can blast down the other end of the slalom course. I don't have to idle all the way through. I can go down there, I'll slow down there in the gates, and we'll hit select to select the other end of the course. Now I'm back to idle, but as you can hear, I've started getting an alarm system that it's telling me I should be upcoming to my gates and be ready to select. I hit select. It says on here, successful course mapping. I have an asterisk next to my slalom 1. That's what I want. I can hit menu to menu out. And there, I have my full course timing all set up on my tournament screen. So whenever this boat is in this particular lake on this particular slalom course, it will always know where it is. I could take this boat to California, map a course out there, bring the boat back here, I put it in the water, this boat will automatically know what slalom course it's at. Okay, now we've got our timing set and we've got it right here. We're going to run through and do a test run just to make sure that everything's engaging right and that the GPS is picking up my slalom course of where it's at. As I run through without a skier, we'll probably run about 100th to 200th a second fast on our end course time. So we'll see if that's accurate and see if that's what kind of comes out here. So what I did, I ran through the course to test my system to see if it was running. I ended up 100th of a second fast off actual. Not fast out of tolerance, but fast from actual. So that tells me my system's right on, and you know what, all day, every day, I'll be able to run within 200ths of a second of actual. Doesn't matter what skier, what crew weight, what wind, what the conditions are. It's very easy to change from one discipline to another, to slalom, tricks, or jump. Basically what we do is we take our select button and arrow around until we highlight the very bottom, which is either the name of your slalom course or right here I have SL1. Once that's there, I can use my up and down arrows to go to the different disciplines. I can go straight up, I go right into the jump mode, I can highlight around jump, set the different speed that I want in jump with my up and down, whatever that is. I can go back around, highlight jump at the bottom, go up again, and I come to trick mode. Okay, trick mode, my set speed is off to the left here. If I want to change my set speed, again, you have to highlight it and then you can change it up or down by 1/10 of a mile an hour to whatever you want to do. You can set the trick speed to whatever speed you want it to be. If you want to just be out there you know, pulling somebody, you know, tubing or on a wakeboard, you could just use trick mode, set whatever speed you want, leave it highlighted, and go. That's what the boat will do. Basically, that's just put the speed in you want to go have fun. So let's kind of take a run at tricks and see, kind of let it set onto the speed and see what happens when there's variation in turns of how the GPS will tell the boat, do whatever you've got to do to hold that 18 miles an hour. The beep shows that I'm engaged at 18.2. I'm right on 18.2, bouncing to 18.3 a little bit, 18.2. If I start to put a turn into the boat, you'll hear the boat start to accelerate to do whatever it can to keep that 18.2 probably within 0.2 of a mile an hour in a pretty hard turn. I can put it in a hard turn and the boat will just accelerate. It will do whatever it has to do to maintain that 18.2 miles an hour. I've been with Craft over 26 years and seen all the innovation and technology that Craft's brought to this industry. Zero off GPS speed control is exclusive on Craft boats for 2008. That means that the only place you can get one delivered on your boat is from a Craft in 2008. It really shows what kind of forward thinking we have, where we want to take this sport, where we want to take this industry. You know, from the wakeboard tower to the hydro gate, now to GPS speed control.